In this tutorial I will show you how to deactivate your Snapchat account temporarily. First open the Snapchat app. Then tap on your profile picture at the top left. Next tap on this gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you see the support section. Tap on I need help option. Tap on the search bar and then we will type deactivate. Select the first result. Then tap on the Snapchat account's portal link. After that you need to log into your account. Then scroll down and tap on delete my account. Here it says that your Snapchat account will be deactivated first, which means that your friends won't be able to contact you. Also, you will lose the chats that you've saved and the snaps and chats that you haven't opened, so keep that in mind. Your account will be deactivated for 30 days. Remember that you can reactivate it only before the 30-day period. After the 30 days, your Snapchat account will be permanently deleted and you won't be able to get it back.